So I worked with Clayne on a couple of transactions. You know, he brings a great energy to the transaction. Always makes you feel comfortable, always makes you feel like your transaction is the most important thing that he's working on.
Clayne's always easygoing, and he made us feel really good. We were able to go into his office, and they pulled in an extra chair, and all three of us sat down, and we were able to talk about the house.
We went through a few different processes and changed the loan a couple times, and he was on it, always giving me a call, always making sure that I understood not only the ins and outs of that particular type of loan, but also just to, you know, give me comfort in knowing that that was my best option.
There was a point in time when I thought that first-time home buying was going to be a complete nightmare, and they absolutely made it a dream.
Yeah, so I actually asked a lot of questions, and he answered all of them, like, I want to say to the best of his ability, but it was like perfect, you know.
There has to be a catch. What's the catch? And there wasn't one. There wasn't a catch. And what he told me really stood out for me. He said, I am always willing and I always give the best offer, the best conditions, the very first time the person comes to see me. And I think that was the difference between him and the other two mortgage brokers.
He'd reply back faster than I had answers for him most of the time. It was really good. Everything was awesome. Showed me all the houses, had all the answers to all my questions. Everything was perfect.
Well, first of all, he's honest. What you see is what you get. He's personable. He's really straightforward. And he knows what he can do. And, you know, he's confident, and I love that.
It didn't matter when it was, text, phone call. I mean, I think he went above and beyond more than anyone else would have. I mean, my aunt, who's a realtor, was saying, he's good. He's really good.
Answers my calls. His communication level is top notch. I know that when I've got a question or any of my clients have a question, he's there to answer and take care of whatever need arises.
I don't look at myself as just like the mortgage guy who's got some cool little mortgage product or widget I'm going to sell them. I'm really a planner, and I do a lot of mortgage planning with people, and what that planning might look like is if they're looking to buy in 6 months, I'll take an application now, we'll look at their picture and see what we can do between now and 6 months to put them in the most powerful, strong driver's seat to getting in the home that they want. I would say if you're not buying because of fear, you're really leaving a lot of money on the table for your family. Because not only are you buying a home where you're going to have some of the most precious memories built there, you're leaving a legacy for your family. Whereas if you're renting, you're building somebody else's legacy and not your own.